Hello, my name is Mr. French, and today I'm going to be talking about the lightning process. Now, the first thing you need to know is that lightning is made up of electricity, and electricity is made up of tiny particles that have either a positive or a negative charge, and these opposite charges are attracted to each other, and they pull towards each other. Most of the time, they're balanced. We don't see any reaction from them. However, during a lightning storm, the turbulence caused by the wind can separate these particles and make them bounce around inside the clouds. And the friction of all this motion can build up a charge. And when this charge reaches a large enough level, tiny tendrils of negative charge stretch out from the bottom of the clouds towards the ground. And these are called stepped leaders, and they can branch many times on their pathway to the ground. Now, at the same time that these step leaders are stretching towards the ground, upward leaders made of positive charge are reaching up towards the clouds from the ground, and these often begin at the top of a tall building or tree or object. And when one of these upward leaders meets one of these stepped leaders, when they connect, it forms a pathway that allows a much larger current of electricity to travel from the ground up into the clouds. And this happens so quickly that it looks like the electricity travels from the cloud to the ground, when in reality, the opposite's happening. Now, you've probably experienced this on a smaller scale if you've ever received a static shock. You might have been bouncing on a trampoline or walking across fluffy carpet, and that motion caused a build-up of charge within you that discharged as you reach towards a handle or another person. And that's the same as lightning, just on a much, much smaller scale.